Hey all, thanks for watching our Make It in Minutes video. Today we're going to be making this card, which is pretty easy to make. Only one stamp we'll be doing, the rest is all paper. So to make this card, what you're going to need is some mint macaron cardstock, the Whimsy and Wonders designer series paper, which you're going to need this design and the presents design because we're going to cut those out. Some basic white cardstock, which I've already embossed with the Tasteful Textile 3D embossing folder. The Whimsical Trees stamp set, which we're going to be using the Let Your Heart Be Light sentiment, some mint macaron ink, and some rhinestones. So let's get started making this card. All the measurements will be on our blog, which is provided in the description of this video. I'm going to start with our card base. We're going to start by adhering our embossed basic white cardstock onto the front. Then we're going to adhere a designer series paper on. Then we are going to stamp our sentiment in the mint macaron ink. Then I'm going to take my scissors and we're going to make our own banner by just cutting straight down the middle. And then we're going to connect the corners to that part where I just cut. Now we're going to cut out some of the presents from the designer series paper. And what's nice about this is that the presents are easy to cut out because they're just straight lines. And I like to leave a little bit of a white border around the presents to help define them. Then we're going to adhere everything onto the front. I'm going to rotate my card base because I forgot we're doing it like this. And then our final step is to add rhinestones to the card. And there you go. That is our Make It in Minutes card. I hope you liked it. And if you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. As I mentioned before, all of the dimensions for this card can be found on our blog, which is in the description of this video. Thanks!